Hey, I'm Dr. Lee Gary, and here's my 2-minute rock the drill tip on how to help your hygienist become a rock star. What is a rock star hygienist? Well, to me, a rock star hygienist is a hygienist who has influence over my patients, saying yes to comprehensive care. Oftentimes what I see that's missing is the hygienist having confidence in having those conversations and also having permission to have those conversations with their patients. The easiest way to overcome that is take some time outside of an exam, sit down with your hygienist, have some photos of some of the cases in your practice, have some photos or scans of some of the cases in your practice. And when you and the hygienist can sit down and look at those, show the hygienist what you see. Show the hygienist what your concerns are. Talk to the hygienist about what your likely treatment recommendations are going to be. And what you'll see is your hygienist will then leave with the confidence and the permission to have those conversations with patients in the operatories. And over time, you'll come in for your hygiene exams and feel less of a burden to try to get that patient to move forward with comprehensive care. So take the time, sit down with your hygienist, have some photos and scans, give them permission, give them the confidence so that they can do some of that heavy lifting for you. I'm Dr. Lee Gary, and that's my 2-minute rock the drill tip.